Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best bike phone mounts in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bike phone mounts that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Morpheus Labs M4's iPhone X bike mount. The Morpheus Labs phone mount is the most unique design on our list. They only work with iPhones unfortunately, so if you have an Android it won't work for you. The mount is specific to the phone. This particular one is for the iPhone X, XS and 10. The M4s comes with a separate case that you snap your phone into. Then the case snaps onto the mount with high-strength magnets. I know what you're thinking, magnets? These are very strong and once snapped into place your phone is not going anywhere. It's so strong it's perfect for mountain bikers who need the ultimate in secure mounting. The mount will work with just about any size handlebars and needs tools to attach to your handlebars. The phone pops off by pushing on the release button, simple. Moving on at number 4. We have the Vibrelli Universal bike phone mount. As its name says, Vibrelli is a universal bike phone mount, meaning it can hold most cell phones, even larger phones like the iPhone 8 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. With its strong adjustable clamp and silicone bands available in 3 colors, black, red and gray, and it can hold phones up to 4.5 inches wide. This keeps your phone safely in place while still allowing you full access to all functions of your phone, including the touchscreen, volume control and the headphone jack, unlike other designs that require you to remove your device to access certain features. Once the mount is installed on the bike, you can easily mount and remove your phone with its easy clip-on, clip-off design. With a simple ball and socket design, you have the freedom to position your phone to the best viewing angle. At number 3. We have the Roam Universal Premium Bike Phone Mount. Made from a strong hard plastic paired with a silicone net that stretches up to 4x its actual size, the Roam Universal Premium Bike Phone Mount is made for strength, durability and security even on your most intense rides. With 6 points of contact, your phone is locked in place and ready to go, with an adjustable mount that allows for easy viewing from any angle on your ride. Since it fit just about any size handlebars and holds the phone so well, I would say the Roam is another good choice for the best MTB phone mount. Roam also promises a 100% money-back guarantee if you have any problem or you are not completely satisfied with your product. At number 2, we have the TeamObsidian bike phone mount. TeamObsidian's premium bike phone mounts' claim to fame is that unlike most mounts which contain movable parts and parts that consist of multiple pieces, TeamObsidian's is made from a single molded piece of silicone. This means that the chances of the mount malfunctioning or breaking are less likely than those with multiple parts of the other leading competitors. The silicone is also a quieter alternative to plastic and metal that can squeak and make other sounds that may disrupt or distract you during your ride. It is 100% shock absorbent, providing extra protection for your phone on even the roughest terrains and will stay on even if you fall. It's great for any phone with a width between 4 and 5.5 inches and fits any iPhone 8, 7/6, 6S or Samsung Galaxy S8, S7, S6. The TeamObsidian bike phone mount is a great budget-priced option. With its thick one-piece silicone design that securely holds your phone and reduces the vibrations on your phone, the TeamObsidian is the best mountain bike phone mount. It also comes with a risk-free money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied with the bike phone mount. And finally at number 1, we have the QuadLock phone mount bike kit. The QuadLock bike kit is a case mount primarily designed for iPhones and available for the iPhone 5 up to the X. You can also order a QuadLock that works with any phone, but it is not a case mount, it sticks on the bottom of your phone. It is also about half the price because it does not include a case. That aside, it includes the patented dual-stage locking mechanism that is specially designed to hold your phone in place in the most secure way possible. With the ability to mount to any stem or handlebar up to 1.57 inches in diameter, it is usable with most standard bikes. Installation is quick and easy since all necessary O-rings and zip ties are included in the kit. Since this mount requires you to use the QuadLock created case, there are a variety of options to choose from. QuadLock cases are slim and lightweight. They can easily be slid in and out of your pocket for day-to-day use while still providing a great grip. They are made from impact-resistant materials, lined with a soft microfiber interior for added protection while still allowing for access to all ports and buttons. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.